Hi guys, 7 Indian colleges are ranked among the top 200 colleges, and in case you want to be one of them, you can join our program or you can attend a demo lecture today by just calling on these numbers. So today we're keeping a demo lecture this Saturday, and Monday we're launching our new program. So just call these numbers. Hi guys, 2021 ranking, the QS ranking for the top university is out. So, and the list, I'm looking at subject business and management. So Harvard, INSEAD and London Business School are the top three colleges which are there in the list. MIT, Stanford, University of Pennsylvania, Bocconi, Cambridge, and HEC Paris. These are the top 10 colleges. So which make me look at where the Indian colleges are. So this ranking is based on various parameters. The four main parameter: academic reputation, employer reputation, research, and H index. H index is kind of a research as well. So they have given almost 50% weightage for the research. Yeah. So because of that, I think Indian rankings are going down. Indian college is not in the top 50 and top 100. We look at that as we go along, and then we'll decide कि क्यों अपने colleges rank में नहीं आते हैं. ठीक है. So to find the rank, I have to literally search where the Indian colleges are. So at rank 151 to 100 is Indian School of Business. So number 7, there's 7 colleges in the list. Number 7 is ISB, Indian School of Business. Then IIT Madras. IIT Madras is also ranked as a top management college, as a part of the management at 151 to 200 ranking. Mein. Then if we move up the value chain, we have IIM Calcutta at 139 and IIT Bombay at 140. So 139 IIM Calcutta, 140 IIT Bombay. Okay, 4 colleges are there. And IIT Delhi at rank 132. So 5 Indian colleges are there in the rank 200 to 100 ke beech mein. Yep. So ISB, IIT Madras, IIM Calcutta, IIT Bombay, and IIT Delhi. These are the 5 ranks among the top 7 Indian colleges which are there in the list. If we move to the top 100, so without any doubt, we have IIM Ahmedabad at rank 80th across the country, across the world, and IIM Bangalore at rank 76. So rank 76 is IIM Bangalore, rank 80 is IIM Ahmedabad. So ISB, IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIM Calcutta, IIT Delhi, IIM Ahmedabad, and number 1 college in the list is IIM Bangalore. Now you might be wondering, क्या यार हमारे देश के colleges ऊपर आते ही नहीं है ranking में? Why our colleges are not doing? Boss, we'll look at the colleges later on. पहले अपने बारे में सोचो. During our college days, all of us are graduate. हम सब पढ़े लिखे हैं. How many of you have done the research? H index. How many of us have the employer reputation? Tell me one college, any engineering college, any BMS BCom college which have a employer reputation कि नहीं यहाँ के बच्चे are well trained to work in the corporate world. No, पूरा एजुकेशन सिस्टम ही बेकार है अपना यार. द वे इंडिया हैंडल द कोविड सिचुएशन अब वही देख लो यार. ठीक है. तो ऐसे माहौल में एक्सपेक्टिंग अस टू बी द वर्ल्ड रैंकर, आई एम सॉरी, वी आर वेरी यू आर वेरी, थोड़ी फिल्में देना कम कर दो. फाइन, you have the same mobile phones which a Gora have, you're watching the same English movies, does not mean we are at par with them. Their ranking is way ahead of them. Their systems are well in place. हमारे यहाँ पे आई एम अहमदाबाद में आधा टाइम तो ये बात होता है कि द गवर्नमेंट वांट टू टेक ओवर द राइट्स, गवर्नमेंट वांट टू गेट इन्वॉल्व मोर एंड मोर. जी, जब तक वो पॉलिटिक्स इंडिया में खत्म नहीं होगा तब तक उम्मीद ही मत करो. जब खुश रहो. टॉप 200 में 7 कॉलेजेस हैं, बहुत हमारे लिए. Okay, so 7 colleges are there in the top 100 list, and that should be a motivation. Wherever you study, अपने सामने चिपका दो that I want to go into these colleges, so that your college is ranked in the top in the world. All right, all the best. There's also a management ranking here. So if you check out the ranking, the link I've given in the description box, top universities in the QS ranking, and there's an MBA ranking as well. And in that MBA ranking, only 3 colleges are featured. I'm Bangalore, I'm Lucknow, and ISB. Only 3 colleges are there in the MBA ranking. All right, you can check out that ranking. So yeah, we are launching a program today. Today we are keeping a demo lecture, and Monday we're launching one new program. So in case you want to join, just call the numbers given in the description box. All the best.